Welcome back to the Health and Science Hub. If you're a pharmacy or medical student struggling with pharmacology, you're not alone. It's one of the toughest subjects, but today I'll share proven tips to make it manageable and even enjoyable. Let's dive in. Part 1. Mastering the basics. Tip number 1. Learn the foundations first. Understanding pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics is crucial. How drugs move through the body and how they work. This helps you grasp advanced topics like drug interactions. Tip number 2. Create a drug classification chart. Organize drugs into their classes like beta blockers or ACE inhibitors and include their mechanisms of action, indications, and common side effects. Visual aids can simplify even the most complex drugs. Part 2. Active learning strategies. Tip number 3. Use active recall. Instead of reading your notes, quiz yourself regularly. Apps like Anki are great for creating flashcards. Tip number 4. Mnemonics are your best friend. For example, remember the side effects of anticholinergics with hot as a hare, dry as a bone, blind as a bat, red as a beet, mad as a hatter. Tip number 5. Case-based learning. Apply what you study to real-world scenarios. Ask yourself, which drug would I prescribe for a hypertensive patient with asthma? This improves retention and prepares you for clinical practice. Part 3. Staying consistent and organized. Tip number 6. Study a little every day. Use spaced repetition to review material at intervals, studying one topic today and revisiting it in a week. Tip number 7. Organize your study materials. Keep a dedicated notebook for pharmacology and update it with every new drug class. Tip number 8. Stay curious. Ask why certain drugs work or why they're preferred for specific conditions. The more you understand, the easier it is to remember. Pharmacology doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these tips, you can turn it into one of your strongest subjects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Health and Science Hub for more insights. Let me know your favorite study tip in the comments below. See you next time.